Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the topic city integration. In this basically we are discussing Microsoft blood cells basically, which is telling that basically on the base of our land basically we have created lots of land basically, which is on the base of ladies, on the base of gents, and the base of others group basically. That data basically we have taken, and we the land basically has created in certain areas also, and that basically is calculating the disease, and that is calculating the medicine also basically. So on the base of this everything basically the Microsoft has created his energy basically in universe, and assume that that planet comes to around 100 200 basically. So 200 planet basically is it's coming. So that 200 planets basically is calculated on the base of this data only basically, on the base of this data, and on the base of this data, and on the base of this data basically. So Microsoft person told that basically yes basically we have calculated according to that only. That's why basically the universe group has accepted, and basically on the base of acceptance only basically they have created the planets. So universe group told that basically we have trusted you basically, that you are going to give the exact data only, and according to that basically we have created the planets basically. So you basically have created everything, this everything basically on the base of count of lava and sand only basically, that we agree, because you have created this, and that also basically exactly basically this calculation is ongoing. Then he told that yes basically this is exactly calculation ongoing also basically. That means you have created perfectly only basically, and few satellites also are connected with you only basically. Whenever you are going to do wrong with it, then basically they are going to connect to you basically, in which format, which form basically, that basically need to check basically how many forms basically are there basically, angry form, normal form, that form basically. So he told that yes basically. So one of the person told that, do you have this data basically? Then he told that, which data basically? Which data means this data basically. If first birth basically is happening, then how many cities going to connect that particular person, sorry, how many energy is going to connect, and how many medicines are going to connect, how many diseases are going to connect. And if the person basically is having this birth number basically, then how many cities are going to connect, how many planets are going to create from that energy basically, and how basically this is going to calculate, because this is equal to sand, and this is also equal to sand lava basically. That data basically we have basically. That data we have basically. So according to that only basically we have created na basically. Reason this is working na basically. Then one of the person told that, you told basically this that 31508 is working. Then he told that yes basically. Then why you are basically software people basically are not able to sit for 2 to 3 hours also basically in the software company? Then he told that that actually some changes basically has happened basically. Due to that basically they are not able to sit for at least for 2 to 3 hours basically. Then previously it was able to sit right basically. Then he told that yes basically. Previously for example here is the computer, and previously he was basically able to sit for 7 to 8 hours, and few people basically were sitting at 24 hours also basically. Now basically you can sit and do the work basically. Then he told that no, yeah basically now basically they are not able to do the work, and they are not able to do the task of their video basically. So he told that basically, then if you are not able to do that only basically, then how you can say that this basically is working? Then they told that basically that we are checking again basically, and then basically we are led back, we are going to give you the data basically. That means basically you have not created this basically, on the way of this basically, on the way of this basically, and on the base of the population basically. And that means you don't have the data of ladies birth. For example, this land is created on the base of which data basically, ladies data, male data, or basically it's others data basically. Then it was like, no basically we have the data basically. So the argument started between the software companies and the universe group and the satellite group basically. And I had told that one word basically, form basically. Form means angry form, and in the normal form basically. So they keeps on reacting basically in the angry form and the normal form basically, as per the discussion basically. So like with this basically one of the person told that yes basically, yeah, data basically we have basically. That's why basically the software companies basically are earning crores of rupees basically. So this data basically is on the base of percentage basically. and this data is also basically on the base of percentage. But here the question basically is, which data basically can be used in the disease and which data basically can be used in the medicine basically. So one of the person told that depends upon the blood group count basically, that is the blood owner count basically. Then it was the blood group owner count basically. So 22 blood group owner count are basically there. That person which is going, that is Dubai. That person which is going, that is Ajman. That person which is going, that is USA. That person which is going, that is USA. That ladies which is going, that is Lucknow. So the starting basically comes from here only basically. So he told that yes basically. So according to that basically the count of lava and the sand has generated, and according to that the disease has generated, and according to that the medicine has generated. So one of the person told that the gents basically whatever disease they get, the ladies also basically gets. Then he told that yes basically the ladies also get same disease basically. Sometimes few disease basically only ladies gets basically. Then he told that yes basically few disease basically only ladies gets basically. So like this basically things basically are there. So one of the person told that this basically need to check again basically. Reason, the software industry basically can't sit for 2 to 3 hours also basically nowadays. So the reason is basically the climate basically has changed, and lots of basically changes is happening in the glacier basically. That is glacier basically everybody knows how basically the glacier is created, and on the base of that basically the things basically are created. And Mumbai city basically has created 100 floor building basically. So they basically have this data also basically, that is on the base of this data only basically they have created. Reason, they are also going to generate the matrix. They are also, the Mumbai city is going to generate Mumbai energy, and Mumbai energy is going to generate Mumbai sand. So that basically is going to contain that 100 floor building also basically. Then he told that yes basically. So everything basically is prepared by the Mumbai group basically. So they 100%, they are basically number one basically, the India's heart basically. So they basically can't do wrong basically. One of the person told that also basically. Then he told that yes, here basically they basically can't do wrong. So according to that, this only basically everything is basically prepared. So one of the person told that from universe basically. He told that where is Mumbai basically. Then one of the person basically told that here basically is Mumbai basically. See basically Mumbai city, Maharashtra. So see basically this is the Mumbai city basically. You can see this Mumbai city. Yes, here basically I can see this Mumbai city. See basically Mumbai city. See basically Mumbai city का ऐसा वीडियो नहीं देखा होगा. That basically in Hindi basically. Good morning, maybe it's a brand new day. So this whole ad also. Whenever you see the Mumbai city, this type of ad basically comes.
मुंबई एक ऐसा शहर जो भारत ही नहीं बल्कि दुनिया के सबसे बड़े शहरों की लिस्ट में शामिल है, जिसे सपनों का शहर, माया नगरी और ना जाने कितने और नामों से जाना जाता है। तो आज हम आपको लेकर जाएंगे मुंबई के एक ऐसे सिनेमैटिक और इंफॉर्मेटिव टूर पर जो शायद आपने पहले कभी नहीं देखा होगा। पुराने समय में बम्बई के नाम से जाना जाता था और आज ये शहर भारत के सबसे तेजी से ग्रोथ करने वाला शहर है, जिसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी काफी तेजी से इंप्रूव हो रहा है। जहां भारत के स्टॉक एक्सचेंज होने के कारण ये शहर इंडिया का कमर्शियल और फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल भी कहा जाता है, जो $310 बिलियन के साथ गुरुद्वारा और ग्लोबल विपस्सना पैगोडा जैसे धार्मिक जगहों के कारण एक वाइब्रेंट शहर है, जहां देश और दुनिया के कोने कोने से लोग काम की तलाश। मुंबई शहर में लोग फास्ट फूड ही ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं, जिसमें वड़ा पाव। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके अपने शहर का नाम कमेंट।
So you can just see basically this was Mumbai basically, and this is Mumbai also basically. So one of the person told that yes basically. So that basically is created on the base of this data basically, and on the base of this all data basically.